Quiet.
I'll get you out, Emily.
Oh my God!
There's gotta be a way to get to the
Grace na
surface.
naman ako. Grace na naman ako. Buong laro nilaro na si Grace. Si Leon, mga 5 minutes lang. Shit. Nawa na ako dito eh. Walang palag to eh. Wait lang, Ems. Kalma mo, Ems.
Sorry, I know it hurts.
I know it hurts,
I'm so sorry.
but I'm too good to save her. Saan kita lalagay? Saan pa ilalagay to si Ems? Bawal ba sa sahig? Damn.
Dead end. Can't let that thing hurt her. It's okay, Emily.
Mali naman yung sinabi mong nanay niya yun. Puta, ilang beses ko na pinatay yung nanay niyan.
Here you go. I need to keep you safe. Okay.
Tubig ka muna, Grace. Save time. Injector. Roof hatch is operated by the panel outside the storage bay. Troubleshooting. Power supply persists. You must restart the 3 power distribution units in the lower area. Okay. Some's gonna go down. Let's go. Cutscene na naman. Second floor. You know how we go.
Insufficient power. Reset the power distribution units on the lower floor.
Gotta get the power on. It's my only chance.
Actually, pagod na ako dun sa malaking yun eh.
I need to find those power units.
Where that power unit's at? Si Kaitan. Hindi siya pwede makakay. Testing lang. Kasi pag napatay siya, wala nang problema.